Hello and welcome to Webcom Design's YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about PeepSo WC Vendor plug integration plugin. It integrates PeepSo Community plugin with WC Vendors Marketplace plugin. You will find the documentation link and changelog link on the sales page of the plugin available on our website. You can go through the documentation. It will help you to get an idea about the plugin feature and what plugin actually does. You can buy the plugin from the website, then you can fetch it from the My Account page, My Download tab, and after that you can add the plugin inside by hitting on the Add New Plugin inside the plugin section available on the WordPress dashboard. After installing and activate the plugin, you can enter the license from the WP plugin license section, and then you can finally navigate to the plugin settings from PeepSo configuration WC Vendors. So plugin basically integrates the PeepSo community with the multi-vendor plugin. So it provides some multi-vendor tabs inside the PeepSo profile. Users will get a favorite product tab inside the PeepSo profile. This is favorite product tab. Ads plugin provides you with mark a favorite button available on the single product page. So let's visit a shop and then to a product to mark it as a favorite. So favorite button is available here. I have hit on it and it's marked as favorite, and now it will be available inside the favorite product tab inside my PeepSo profile. Rest of the tab is for vendors profile. They will get the dashboard, my product, favorite product, and shop setting tabs. This is for subscribers who are not vendor. They will get a become a vendor and they can directly register as a vendor from their PeepSo profile, community profile, and my product tab will list all the products of the particular vendor. So one can go through the vendor's profile, and from the community profile they will get an idea what are they selling. So it's basically promote their products from PeepSo profile, from community profile. And there is a direct link to visit their store. So one can visit their store from their community profile only and check the other details like contact info, opening, closing time, etc. So far we have discussed about favorite product tab and product tab. Now we will navigate to the vendor's profile and look for other tabs like shop settings and dashboard and my product tab, and we will check if the activity is created when we have added a new product. So this is a vendor's profile. I can see a vendor dashboard here inside the PeepSo profile. So plugin will allow you to have a dashboard inside the PeepSo profile, and my product tab will list all the products you are selling. Favorite product tabs will list the products you have marked as favorite, and shop setting will list some of the settings you can handle directly from the PeepSo profile. So this is all about the tabs vendor will get. Now we will move forward and add a product to check the site-wide activity. So for this we will first check if this is enabled from the front end preferences setting. So there's also an option for enable and disable a particular member will get. So it's his choice. If he want to disable that, he can keep it disable. If he want to show the new activity when he add a new product or display favorite products to other user, so he can enable these two settings. So currently I am on vendor's profile and cannot see the products he marked favorite. Now I'll reload the page and I can see the favorite product tab on her profile and check the product she marked as favorite, the vendor marked as favorite, because I have enabled this option. And I have also enabled the add product activity. So now I'll move to the dashboard and add a new product. So an activity is created, that a new product red cap created by this vendor, this particular vendor. From here one can also visit that particular product page, can mark it as favorite and can purchase it. So this is all about PeepSo WC Vendor add-on. One can also edit this activity by using the tags available here. So if you have any question, please drop a comment below. You can also reach us via support available on our site. Bye for now.